Hello, in this tutorial, we will create the electronic gradebook category items for Canvas. To begin, navigate to Grade section in your course where all the gradebook management happens. Click on Assignments. Here you'll find assignment groups, which allows you to categorize and organize your assignments and exams. Click Plus Group to create a new assignment group. To add a new assignment, select Plus Assignment. Enter the assignment name, points, and if this is part of a weighted assignment group. Set the weight for the group accordingly. Once all the details are filled in, click Save to add the item to your gradebook.